right, now welcome back. Now still Comedy Friday, and as I tell you before we go on the break, we tell you say we go get one Kajat person. We go join us inside the studio to talk more on top love. Not say Fridays now our relationship, so marriage day, and so today we get one relationship expert, and name now Bruno Grillo. Yes, you know on top radio, Wazobia FM 95.1. Jeez, how can I say that? All right, welcome Bruno to the studio.
Thank you so much.
So how you day?
I did Kajat. I did very, very well.
Okay, she did very, very well. Now, Bruno, every Friday now actually our relationship day. So we get some tips then where we need to dish out to people. We need to dish them out to people, and then your own opinion on top of the matter would be very important and useful. All right, now we won't give you reasons why you not ever compare your relationship with anybody relationship. Reasons why make you not compare your relationship with another person relationship. Now, every relationship, you know, so they're very unique. They get their own unique feature. So comparing and fear actually make your relationship they weak, or in some cases, in few cases, if you give them strength, as the case may go. But today, we want to talk about the disadvantages of comparing your relationship with other people's relationship or marriage. Now, number one, you go always think of the negative things. The negative things, they make you look someone else's partner. Like say your partner, no, they buy you gift. You go, they make you look at Amaka and her husband. Oh my God, Amaka husband, they buy her gift. My marriage, how can my marriage be like this? My husband, no, they buy me this. So you not go ever think of anything positive about your man because you don't already they compare with another person. Yes. So this one are one of the reasons why it is wrong to compare your relationship. You know?
Yes, not true. What you talk, it not really they make sense at all. If you, like you talk, negative, it will make you they think negative of your partner. That one not true. You know even they can't judge at all, self. Because one thing where you need to realize, be say, this person where you they married to, they unique. So you need to put down for the back of your mind. No begin look, I mean, waiting Mr. A gets, no be waiting Mr. B gets. So if you get that one for the back of your mind, say, look, this person who I marry, if you be say maybe he never too day kajado at that particular time, you get but you know mean say later you know go, you know, stand gidigba well. So, you know, the first thing, that negative say, begin they compare this person, no, this, you know, they okay at all.
Just for us now, ladies, have you ever been guilty of this?
We make me no lie.
Let's be truthful.
Let's be truthful.
Have you ever been guilty
I don't do
of it?
You know, to talk. Or this one, they look me the way, this one, they look me like that. Make me talk. Eh?
You never done, right?
That's why I said funny enough.
And it's good.
I did weird like that. I define as I believe say I deal with this person now waiting I want now make me go after this person. So you know we say they compare, you say why you know they do waiting this person they do. Why I did talk because I remember one story where person talk one time when the person talk I say thank God sorry they do because when he talk he say get one couple, then they like hold each other, then go church. I don't talk for you before. Then go church, hold each other. You saw when they enter the church, the man still hold the woman, then go communion, come back, enter car, the man still hold the woman, enter cash, all those kind of paparazzi and everything. So then the woman come, they look over and they say, why you know they hold me like this? See as the man hold her wife. Do you understand? The end ask that couple why that man be the hold that woman. Why? Because the woman refused to go to church that day. She just bluntly refused that she no go church. And I demand the hold her every movement she make. The man hold her and say, this church, you must go. But meanwhile, another person does they look and say,
love
I tell you. All right, another one again, another negative reason why you're not supposed to compare your marriage or your relationship with another person. You don't be say, they fail to remember, say, no one day perfect. Even you, your own self, you're not day perfect. So not expect perfection from your partner. Let's talk about being perfect because we don't see a lot of marriages break up because maybe this party, they feel, say, I'm the perfect person. I have never done you wrong in my life. I have never done this to you.
You think?
You always have these flaws. One particular party, they always see flaws in the other person. You have never said something good. How person feel actually control their self of this perfection, taking perfection to the extreme?
You see, the number one thing where, you know, when it comes to this perfect, you get some people will be say, you know, some people, their temperaments, they actually, you know, we get like 5 types of temperaments. We get the sanguine, we get the melancholy, we get the Even the newest one we come ourselves, the supine. Yes, new
Let's
one.
supine.
I define that one because I never heard this one. Okay, supine. You like porcupine.
Wait, you know, we get the sanguine. I mean, those who like to talk. Now the sanguine. We get the melancholy. Then they on the quiet side, you know. Then they moody. They get mood swing. You know, this moment they feel happy. The next moment you see that they're bone. You go begin to wonder what thing you do. And we can't get the phlegmatic.
Yeah.
Yes, you know, those ones, you feel match themselves.
Tough, like say tomorrow, not day.
No, you feel match them. Then they're over quiet past the melancholy. Yes, they're over quiet past the melancholy. I say you feel step on top of them.
You pass.
When the thing don't overdo and then they bust out.
Wait now, then the other one, the choleric. You see those ones?
Chatterbox. And chop you like
not
this.
You know, then they say those ones, now then they show wickedness. That is why when you
they
see some
open.
people say they get strong mind, now the choleric them. Yes, that is why if you see some husband and wife, maybe the wife, they very quiet. And the people where they too fit this choleric now, like the phlegmatic them, you know, so anything they do, they go just take them. The choleric go they very hard. The phlegmatic go they
soft. That's
you know,
to balance everything.
To balance, you
The
get
last
am.
one, okay, this new one.
Then this new one, according to research,
Supine,
the supine, S-U-P-I-N. That one, it they in between, you know, it won't be like the phlegmatic, but it can't be like say it over. You get that? Over quiet. Past the phlegmatic.
So that kind of person no they talk at all?
You not be saying, you know, they talk. You know, when it, and just make peace.
Whatever you like.
Okay, so they no go ever pile them up, give you back to you one day.
No, they
That means
It
now
dey rare.
they get male supine. Melancholy and
another one.
you get them. No, then they merge
that's
them
the
like
merge.
that. Then they merge them. You get them. Then they merge them like that. You get them. So, and this thing where you talk now, say make person they expect
perfection.
You need to, you know, too much expectation. Because why I bring these temperaments, you need to know the kind of person where you they follow. Know the person temperament. It not mean say 100% according to what you read for a book. Say now the person go be no, but at least you go still see some. So you need to like study the kind of person you get him. Then not expect too much. In short, if you no one gets wahala, I mean for her too much, you don't expect too much from your partner. Because if you expect too much, we be human beings, we know they're perfect. You go find out, say, no be waiting you expect you they see. And that one self getting on for one corner, if it make you begin to feel one kind, say, this person what I think say it go turn out like this or it go turn out like this, it no turn out like this. And now one of the things where they destroy relationships, even marriage too. Because when you enter a relationship with this high expectation, it they cause so many things. If you enter, you forget say the other person a human being too. You get your own flaws, just as you self get your own flaws. If you don't meet up to what they expect, gbege go enter. That one not sure, gbege go enter.
All right, that's all of us just quiet.
As they enjoy our
when
question
you know what they do, talk, you go actually listen, you understand? All right, the next one. Now, apart from the fact say you always compare, sometimes some women just they like to they talk anyhow. Like you go outside, they talk, say, I'm my husband. Oh,
Miss Jabo.
If they buy me things like say tomorrow, not day. My husband, oh, when he come house, now this one now also, it not be like mama non-so husband though. When not they do anything for him. My own husband, if they do something for so many they talk like that. So when you actually do those comparisons, they say if you make others they envy you. And others feel they think the exact opposite of what you think about your own relationship too. If you bring her come out, they go they envy you, and this one feel actually cause a lot of wahala. Maybe people I don't do your relationship. Wahala feel they. It just be like one story where you tell us one time, where the woman, the man, they always go outside, go tell the friend, say my wife, she's a tiger in the bedroom. She's mad. one of the friends does the eye, as they talk and the friend does say, really? So how is she? Describe the man they describe. No, he said this friend, they eye the wife. As the man travel, the friend go the house. Go sweet talk the wife. He actually enter too.
Ikolobi
too, to actually experience. Because you are giving too much.
Yes.
And with girls too. My husband. Hey!
You're even going too far. You say your husband. Talk about boyfriend. They go collect them from her.
So
husband is better because you don't already marry. So you can they talk within your husband. They do. We're supposed to do your own.
We're supposed to
secret thing. Because they tell them, obviously.
I think that's self-explanatory.
Yes. Not bad to actually, praise your wife or your husband in front of people. Nothing they bad there, but limit the day when. Waiting you suppose keep between two of una. You begin to bring her out just to show people say, now they jolly and all that. Another thing too, what I don't consider, from experience, most people when they talk like that, they do like that. If you really go deep, if people say no, be actually as it be.
That's how she talk.
They just make people, they smile.
Just make people. It's just like what you talk about. Say the couple where they go church, they hold hand. For the whole world now.
Now love.
Then be sweetie. You know what's in the happens house.
Rose-colored glasses.
They
just give it to the one make
you get them. You know what's in and. Waiting they no realize we say when you they come out because we know they perfect. Forget if you like come out try to form like say una do over 100%. Nobody they perfect. If you begin to paint that kind of picture to people, nothing they wrong. But if you overdo them, you they put like
call attention to yourself.
Apart from that self, like how do they take on like. You they put more burden on yourself because people can't expect too much.
Now let's stop on that particular note and bring this last one. And like what you talk, bringing more burden on top of yourself. Yes. The last one we say you they sink deeper into depression as each day they go by. I feel say this one see boys down to the burden. Yes. Because as you talk compare, you are being depressed because comparing, you're not going to ever say anything good about the person, and you're depressed because they see Amaka hair they find every day. Me, I know they feel Brazilian hair. They're depressed. I will my husband give me money to buy Brazilian hair. So you need to.
Or every time your husband come, they drop you and drop this person, and the other you're going to wonder why you can't drop me.
Let me give you a personal. Let me just give you a personal experience.
Buy a new car. When I might get in my own.
A personal experience. My sister they work for a company with her husband. And then she did with her friends. The friends talk about, oh, my husband bought me this, my husband bought me that, and that, and that, and that. She not talk but she can't tell me, say, when they were talking, I just think of my mind, say, my husband never really buy me anything.
Oh, wow.
Wait, it's coming. My husband really buy me anything. He never really buy me anything. I felt sad. But when I reach house, I see everything where I get. I look my wallet. I see ATM with me. The 2 ATM where the husband get today with her. Now I say, okay, how will he buy me anything when I'm the one operating his account? Because really, he just feel say anything where she wants, take my account. In short, if he wants money, they come and say, okay, give me money. From your own account, give me money. Oh, she gets signature to your own account. So sometimes you need to desist from comparing because fear actually makes you depressed.
Almost all the time.
Appreciate some of the things where you get. It's a blessing to you. Really. All right, we go actually into a small break right about now. When we come back, coming up after the break, more things to come. We go speak with Bruna because apart from being a relationship expert, she they actually give out to the society too. And we go find out this project where she gets on ground. And also, we get comedy video for you. So stay with us.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.